Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Welcome to the Sam Fam. Boy! I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Happy New Year, you guys. It's 2021. We made it. If you're watching this right now, you made it through the mud, okay? 2020 was not to be played with, but you know what? I'm blessed to be here today. As you guys can see from the title, today we are doing a what's in my bag video. I recently got a new bag for Christmas, as you guys saw in my last video. If you didn't see my last video, go check it out right now. It was like my little Christmas vlog, but yeah, I got a new Louis Vuitton bag that I'm absolutely obsessed with. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I have inside. But before we get started, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below and turn your post notification bell on. This year, we're getting to 10,000 subscribers, whether y'all like it or not, okay? So go tell your mama, your friend, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, uncle, your niece, your nephew to go subscribe to my channel, please, and thank you. But yes, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as well. Follow me on Instagram at SamAlexandria if you guys want to see daily content from me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay guys, so I have the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM in the Noir, like black color, and it's the lambskin leather, and it has the monogram ink on it. It's really pretty. It has that ink print all over the bag except for the back panel and on the bottom of the bag. So it's like a top handle, but then it also has a strap. This doesn't really sit crossbody on me. As you can see, it comes up a little too high to be crossbody, but you can always replace the straps. Anyways, so this is the bag. I'm going to be showing you guys what I have inside of it. This is my baby. I'm probably not gonna wear her that much because she is fragile. This kind of leather does scar easily and wears down quickly. But I just noticed it has a little Louis Vuitton stamp on the handle, which is cool. Okay, so yes, here's the bag in its entirety. Let's get started on what's inside. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So it zips around. It has two zippers, so they come both open like so, and then the bag opens up like that. It just has like the, Louis Vuitton little tag on there. And this is what my bag looks like inside. This bag actually holds quite a bit. It is a small bag, but it stores quite a lot. So it's a one pocket. I lied. There's like a little pocket that you could put something right here, but I haven't yet. So yeah, this is just like a bucket kind of. So you can fit everything inside. All right, let's go with the first things first. You gotta carry hand sanitizer. I mean, you should have been carrying hand sanitizer before COVID-19 even came about, but definitely get you some hand sanitizer. I have some Germ-X. I always keep one in the car, a couple in the house, one in my purse at all times. So yeah, that's just a given at this point. Y'all know. I also have a do-rag inside of here. If you know me, then you know I'm not taking my do-rag off until we pull up to the function. Wherever I'm going, doesn't matter if it's work, sometimes even the gym, I'm gonna have my do on until I park at the place, and then I'll take it off and we'll keep it pushing. So I always have a do-rag in here that was just chilling like on the side. Okay, what else I got going on in here? I have some lip products. My favorite is this Mario Badescu. Oops, upside down. Let's get it together. This Mario Badescu lip balm. Oh God, it's like, oh, there you go. Now you can see it. This lip balm, chef's kiss, even though it's not a food item. Okay. I love this lip balm. It is so moisturizing and just like replenishing. It makes my lips feel so good, and it's not one of those lip balms where it's gonna dry your lips out so that you keep going back for more. No, it keeps your lips on 10 at all times. Appreciate her. I love her. And then I have my infamous lip combo. I always keep it with me because 9 times out of 10 I have this on, which right now I do. It's the Hot Cocoa NYX lip liner with the MAC Honey Love lipstick, and then my Sephora gloss in the color Boss. This is like, you know, it's worn out and I only have a certain amount of product left. This is clear usually, but because I wear this lip combo all the time, it has changed colors. So these are my 3 faves to wear on my lips at all times. You can barely see the color. That's a little bit better. So you guys can check out that lip combo. But yeah, I always keep these with me. Okay. Then I have just some miscellaneous gift cards. I have this Starbucks one. Shout out to Daisy. Spa lashes. I'm wearing spa lashes right now in the style Hot Sauna. Anyways, I modeled for her and she gave us goodie bags. In the goodie bag was the Starbucks gift card and some other things. So I have that, and then I also have a Trader Joe's gift card that a coworker gave to me for Christmas. So yeah. Got those little gift cards in my purse, just floating around. I don't really have much room in my wallet, so we'll get on to the wallet. So here is my wallet. This is also lambskin. It's a Chanel, like just regular flap. I think that's what it's called, flap wallet. I've had this wallet for a little over a year. I actually got it in Paris. I love it. It's so convenient, fits perfectly in my bag, and it just goes so well with my purse. Like the black and the gold accents, you know, it just matches perfectly. So yeah, in my wallet, I just have the typical wallet items. I have my credit cards. I actually have the authenticity card for the Chanel wallet inside of here. Why? I don't know, but it's just there. I have my ID card, my health insurance card, and then what is this? Oh, I'm a Costco member now. Yo, girl got a Costco card. So yeah, I have my Costco card in there. Then I have, this is actually a Visa gift card that I got for my Christmas bonus from work. So, you know, there's a little cute little penny on there. I don't carry cash, so I don't have any cash in my wallet, but yeah, that's it. I mean, I carry cash here and there, but 9 times out of 10, I probably don't have cash. Moving along, I have this little Lilith, or it's actually not Lilith. Why did I say that? It's called Little. That's the brand name. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's called Little, and it's a little selfie light. You guys can't tell right now, but maybe you can, I don't know. But it lights up so that you can, you know, take pictures. It has a couple settings. You just clip it on top of your phone, which I would show you guys, but I'm actually recording on my phone. But yeah, so it's just, say this is your phone and you clip it on the top, and then it just, you know, stays on the top of your phone, and you have a little light, you know, for your pictures, your videos, whatever. Love this. Shout out to Little for sending that to me. It's a really good little gadget. Then I have some eye drops in here. You know, allergies be acting up sometimes, and then sometimes, you know, your girl be a little, so we got to keep the eye drops on her. On me at all times. Then I have my perfume roller ball thing. It's not a roller ball, it's actually like a spray. Actually spray some. This is the Giorgio Armani C roller, or I keep calling it a roller ball. Little travel size perfume. Always keep a little perfume on me. You never know when you need to freshen up, touch up your perfume scent. Especially that one, it like doesn't last. Oh, I got perfume on my shirt. It doesn't last as long as I would like it to, so I like to keep that one on in my purse. I also keep a tampon in my purse just because you never know when Miss Flo is trying to act up. Like, I just like to have one on me just in case. I'm almost done with what's in my bag, honestly. I don't have that much stuff. I actually have this little Polaroid picture from Christmas Day at my fam's house. You can see my fam in the background. I'm actually wearing the bag in this picture. I don't know if you guys can tell. But yeah, so I have this little Polaroid in my bag. Then I have a lighter, you know, and that's pretty much it. And then the rest of it is actually change. I had Christmas money and I bought like a bottle or something. Ooh, and they gave me all this change. So I'm actually gonna take it out of my purse and put it in my little coin jar thing that I have. But yeah, that is all that I have in my purse. I know this video was really quick. So that's it. That's what the inside of the purse looks like without anything in it. Like I showed you guys before, it has that little flap right there. But yeah, that is all I have in my Louis Vuitton Vanity PM bag. I really, really, really love this bag. I've been wanting this bag for a while now. So I was so happy to get it for Christmas. I'm trying to zip it up right now so I can show you guys it again. Okay, so yeah, here it is again with the strap as well. But yeah, that's what I have in my bag, you guys. Nothing too crazy, nothing too spectacular, just like the normal things, I think. I don't think there's anything too crazy inside of my bag. But yeah, I just wanted to, I really just wanted to show you guys the bag. But I also wanted to do a what's in my bag video because I haven't done one in like forever. It's been over 2 years, I'm pretty sure, since I've done one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me this year. I really want to focus in on content that you guys are gonna watch because there's 7,600 and something of you guys, but out of all of y'all, only like 100 be consistently watching my videos. So like, tell me what you guys want to see so I can actually produce it for you, because otherwise we're just wasting each other's time, right? Yeah. 2021, it's all about doing things that make sense. But yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you carry in your bag. Like, what's one thing that you can't leave the house without? Let me know. I usually have a mask in my bag, but I have the mask at the front door, so I just grab it and head out the door. And then I have some in my car and stuff too. So my mask will be in my bag when I actually leave the house, but now that I'm in the house, there's no mask in the bag. So yeah, that's what it is. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at SamAlexandria. And yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye. Oh, I wanted to know, do you guys still like my intro and outro? I personally love it, but I was like, okay, it's been a year now. Maybe I should change it up. But let me know what y'all think. Like, should I keep it for a little bit longer or is it time for something new? Comment down below. Okay, bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind. It's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby. You ran